what you're doing today, do you think your mother will be proud of you?
Yes.
Yes. What will she say to you after looking at your recent work?
She will just smile. She would just smile. I know how she is. She would just say, I'm very, very happy for you. I'm very happy that people finally get to recognize the hard work and the effort you put in, because she would have seen me around the house. She would see me doing my work every day. Problem क्या, मैं घर आता तो कोई है नहीं जिनको पता है मैंने पूरे दिन क्या किया. She would have known. She would have seen. She would have felt the 5 years, 6 years that I went through of, यार मुझे और कुछ आता ही नहीं है, मैं फिल्में ही बनाना चाहता हूँ. तो वो जानती थी, इसीलिए उन्होंने अलाउ किया for me to pursue this profession. She would have just been, I think she would have been at peace and content at this point, because ये बहुत पेचीदा टाइम था मेरे लिए. This was like an all-in bet. It was this or nothing. That's the way I would have looked at it, because she would be around, I would be more extreme. Because जब बच्चा माँ से बात करता है तो मैं तो extreme ही हो जाता. अब थोड़ा practical होना पड़ता है, because खुद आप rationalize कर रहे हो. तो she would have felt the pressure more than me. Because मैं independent आदमी हूँ. My father and mother supported me to whatever extent they could, but financially I became independent the day I started working.
Really?
Yeah, I've never taken anything from my father.
Oh.
After I became an actor, till then, whatever it was, till I was 23, 24, my first paycheck was Ishaq Zadeh. Since that day, and my mother passed away without me knowing if my future is in this. So after that, till today, I have never, and he knows that, and I think he's proud of the fact that I've never, ever asked. And that's the only thing I feel was the right thing for me to do. I wanted to be an identity that he's proud of, that ये independent आदमी है यार, इसने अपनी जिंदगी का सही इस्तेमाल करके अपने आप को उतना काबिल बना दिया कि अपनी देखभाल और अपनी बहन की देखभाल अच्छी तरह कर सकता है. And that is what makes parents proud. My mother also would be proud of exactly that today I have my own ecosystem, जहाँ पे मैं जीता हूँ, जहाँ पे मैं रहता हूँ. मेरे लोग हैं जो मेरे साथ काम करते हैं, मैं उनकी कदर करता हूँ, उनकी फैमिली की कदर कर सकता हूँ, अपनी बहन के लिए कर सकता हूँ, मेरे आसपास में खुशियाँ दे सकता हूँ लोगों को. And I'm well to do in that sense, but this is all from the work that I got the chance to do and I did well. So I think she would have been proud कि यार जो सिलसिला शुरू किया था 12 साल पहले, वो कंटिन्यू रहेगा.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.